If you cut a thin slice from the middle of a sweet pepper and bury it directly into the soil, what will happen? In less than a week, it completely rotted. But on the 30th day, a miracle happened. A pepper seed inside actually sprouted. And as time went on, more and more seeds also started to germinate. They worked hard to grow upward. By the 60th day, the pepper seedlings finally broke through the soil and touched fresh air for the first time, slowly continuing their upward growth. But this 10-month pregnancy style of planting is not ideal. If you want to quickly harvest large sweet peppers like these, you need to plant them scientifically and reasonably. Cut open a ripe pepper and collect the seeds. Soak them in water, toss the floaters, keep the ones that sink. Sow those seeds in nutrient-rich soil, cover lightly, and wait a week. Seedlings will appear. Next, transplant them into individual seedling trays to give them room to grow. After 20 days, they're ready for bigger pots. One plant per pot is perfect. Water them gently. Add dry leaves or twigs on top to retain moisture and block weeds. A month later, your plants hit a growth spurt. Some even grow egg-sized peppers early. Add organic fertilizer to boost flowering and fruiting. Then, set up a simple drip system. A cotton swab in a bottle works like magic for steady moisture. After 2 more months, the plants are full of large green peppers. To help them ripen red, add potassium fertilizer, cover it with soil, and sprinkle crushed eggshells on top for calcium. Pinch off extra shoots so nutrients go straight to the fruit. In just 5 months, you'll be picking peppers bigger than your fists, red, yellow, and ready for the plate. Enjoy growing your own harvest, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Garden Nurture.